Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. If that's level, you should be able to measure it from up down there, right? Now 5 inches. Center to center. No, I gotta have different things. No. There you go. Here you go. You need to measure down. I'll just center to center is 5. 2. 8. So we need to do, how many do we have here?
27.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 there, 2 here, 2 here, that's 6, 7, 8.
Huh?
2 there,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
7,
6.
8. Do it again. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. I'd rather measure twice and screw up
Well,
once.
I guarantee it. You can say right there.
I gotta get screws with self-tapping now. Let's see if I have some in my pocket. I have 1, 2 of them over here. I need more.
There's 8, you need 16.
Just that a little bit, Fred Jared. I need to move this one in.
You said center to center. That's pretty close to there. You can tell it ain't look at it, bro. That's good.
Well, I have my name on it too. I want it looking like
Look like
Brown Hill was here.
professional done it. Green but orange. You know, screw. Oh, you want a screw? Need some shoe polish. Yeah, I can get some Sharpies over there. Where's my shoe polish? They have it. Yeah, but they don't got it. You want that screw out this way.
We're making progress.
Ready? Down now. Circuit is all getting out. See.
You guys got that one upside down.
Oh, this one's upside down. Thank you. We're gonna make one mistake. From the top. Maybe make something for the bottom.
Yeah, they've been closed.
Why not just stay on there? What's that there for?
Connect it to the next one.
That don't help the fan.
The fan's on.
Just don't worry about it. It ain't gonna cut no one.
We just need that. I see it now. I don't see how I'm going to get that pretty big screw. piece of that with some snips, and see if we can cover this. Take your, take maybe most of those on the top one. Because I think that's where your handrails are going to cut people if we don't.
Yeah, that's what.
So we need to put something down here so somebody's leg don't get caught up.
Diabetic. There's where they can get doctors. Need it.
Give me a pair of snips. Let's see what we got to do to cover it.
After this?
Yeah, that end. Both ends in the bottom. Two, 3 3/4.
Through the whole restaurant. Eyeball drywall, that's what it's called.
Why can't you go the other way?
Start pouring out concrete, John.
You don't want to take the screws on the bottom. Too much junk right there. On the upper one too.
Dump truck left that truck and stuff, dropped them off, took the truck, and now he's come back to the RV.
No, he's dropping the guy off.
Johnny looks like marker to paint that with. supposed to get this right here for this side. Got back to it here.
All right, so now we put this together on a budget. Took forever to get the parts ordered in. And now they have their handrail again. Crazy expensive, but there it is. Boom, boom, boom. Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw and think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.